Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome to our geography period, and we are studying lesson number 4, climate. In today's activity, we are going to find out the annual average temperature and rainfall in Brazil. We have a bar graph in front of us, and we have 4 cities to study about the annual temperature and rainfall in Brazil. Fine. So this is a bar graph, and the bars represent the rainfall. Okay, the measurement is written here in millimeters. On the x-axis we have the initials of the months stretching from January to December. On y-axis we have temperature in degrees centigrade, and here we have something to check on. The red line indicates maximum temperature and the blue line indicates minimum temperature. So let us start with the activity. We have the first question here. It says, in which month is the highest temperature found in all the 4 cities? So now you must be just thinking that it is so simple. We just have to look at the red line, isn't it? And find out the answer. But it is not like this. We will have to find out the difference in the highest temperature and the least temperature, in the maximum temperature and the minimum temperature. Okay, so let us start with the month of January, for example. So in Manaus, in the month of January, the highest temperature recorded is 32, because it is 30 here and 35 here, so it should be 32. And what is the least temperature or the minimum temperature in January in Manaus? It is 20, and between 20 to 25. Let's assume it is very close to 25, so it is 24. So 32 minus 24 is 8 degrees centigrade in the month of January in Manaus. In Belém, what is the situation? It is the same, almost the same. Okay, it is 32, maximum temperature is 32, and the minimum temperature is 23, and the difference is 9 degrees centigrade. Please write it down as we are discussing, so that it will be easy for us to compare, because we are going to compare the difference in temperature in the month of January and February, and then you can do it also on for the rest of the months. Okay, now let's move towards Porto Alegre. Porto Alegre, in the month of January, the highest temperature recorded is 30, and the least is how much? It is 20. Fine. So it is how much? The difference is 10 degrees centigrade. Now Rio de Janeiro, how much is the highest temperature in January? It is 30 again. And how much is the least? It is 23. So what is the difference? It is 7 degrees centigrade. So it is 8, 9, 10 and 7. This is the temperature in the month of January in all these 4 main cities of Brazil. Now let us take another look. We will study about the temperature in the month of February in all the 4 cities. So what is the temperature, maximum temperature here? It is 30 in February in Manaus. What is the temperature here in Belém? It is 32. It is a little above. Yeah, so let us assume it is 32. The highest temperature here in in Manaus is how much? It is 30. And what is the least? It is 24. Fine. So how much is 30 minus 24? It is 6. Please write it down. Now moving towards Belém. How much is it in Belém? The highest temperature in the month of February is again 32. How much is the least or the minimum? It is 23. What is the difference? It is 10. Is it 10? No, it is 9. Fine. It is 9. So let us write it as 9. Now let us move towards Porto Alegre. Porto Alegre, in the month of February, it is 30, and the minimum is 22. It is a little above than this 20. So let's assume it is 22. What is the difference if you subtract 22 from 30? It will be 8 degrees centigrade. Fine. And Rio de Janeiro. How much is the maximum temperature in February in Rio de Janeiro? It is a little above than 30. Let's consider it as 31. And what is the least temperature or the minimum temperature? It is 24. So how much is 31 minus 24? It is 7. So we have the figures for the month of February, that is the temperature. So it is 6, 9, 8 and 7. So if you compare for the month of between the month of January and February, you will see that the temperature in the month of January is more as compared to that of February. You can do such an activity for the rest of the months. Finally, you will come to the conclusion that it is always January which is showing constant. It shows maximum temperature in all the 4 cities. So the answer to this question is January. In the month of January, the highest temperature found in all the 4 cities is in the month of January. This is the answer. Now let us move towards the next question. In which month does it rain the most in the given cities? So now for that we will have to take a look at the bars. So the highest in this month in the city of Manaus is in the month of March. Fine. This is the highest bar or the tallest bar. It is in the month of March. Is it the same here? Yes, again, although it is not as how much is the how much is the rainfall in millimeters here in Manaus? It is 310 millimeters. Let's assume it is a little above than 300 and it is 350 here. So let's assume it is 310 millimeters of rainfall in Manaus in the month of March. In the month of March again, here in Belém it rains the most. And how much is the how much is the rainfall recorded? It is 450 millimeters of rainfall in Belém. Again, it is more here. Now, Porto Alegre. In Porto Alegre, the month of March, it shows how much? It shows almost 110 or 120. Sorry, it's not 120. It is 110. Okay, it is 110 in Porto Alegre in the month of March. So let us write it down. Okay, how much was it in Manaus? It was in the month of March. Let us write down Manaus, and it was nearly 310 millimeters. Fine. Now in Belém, how much was it? How much was it in Belém in the month of March? It was 450 millimeters. Here in Porto Alegre, how much is it in the month of March? Let us see. It is very less. And how much is that? It is 110. Let us write down 110 millimeters in Porto Alegre. And how much is it in Rio de Janeiro? It is in the month of March. It is 140. It is 140 millimeters. Fine. So the highest temperature the highest rainfall. Yeah, the highest rainfall in the month it rains is in the month of March in all the 4 cities. You can compare it. You can see. Let's say for example, we take in the month of January. How much is the rainfall in the month of January here? It is 250. Here in Belém it is how much? It is 350. How much is it here in Porto Alegre? It is just 110. And how much is it here? It is, so it varies. So let me tell you that it is only the month of March which receives maximum rain in all the 4 cities. Fine. Although it is less here, but it is more in all the 3 cities. You can see that. Fine. So the answer to this particular question is it rains the most in the month of March in all the 4 cities. When does Brazil have its rainy season? So what do you think? You look at the map and you will be able to understand. What answer does come to your mind? So obviously you can see that it rains every month. It rains every month because it lies in the equatorial, near the equatorial line. The equator line passes through this country, isn't it? So it will receive perpendicular rays from the sun, and also evaporation will take place there because of the water bodies, isn't it? So convectional rainfall will keep on happening here in this in all the 4 cities of Brazil. Convectional rainfall, we have studied about convectional rainfall in our previous classes, isn't it? So convectional rainfall will take place every day because of the temperature, because of the sun's rays directly falling on this particular on this region or in this country, isn't it? Because of the equatorial line, and evaporation will take place every day, and because of this there will be rainfall every day. That means it is showing that all the months it rains there. It rains almost in all the months. So therefore the answer to this question is that it receives rain in all the months of the year. Which city has the maximum range of temperature and how much is it? So which city do you think has the maximum range of temperature? So again we will have to subtract the highest from the least. Okay, when we do so, we come to the conclusion that it is Porto Alegre, which shows the least temperature between the highest and the lowest, and that is Porto Alegre. Why? Because the this highest temperature recorded is 30, okay, and the least is here. And how much is that? 10. So 30 minus 10 is how much? Is 20. So 20 degrees centigrade is the temperature, and it is found only in Porto Alegre. If you do if you, let's say for example, we take this city, Manaus. Highest temperature here is how much? 32. And how much is the least here? It is 24. What is the difference? It is 8 degrees. So you can understand the difference, isn't it? So the highest is 30 here in Porto Alegre and the least is here, which is 10. And the difference is 30 minus 10 is 20. And hence Porto Alegre has the maximum range of temperature. And you will write down Porto Alegre, and how much is that? You will write down 30 minus 10 is equals to 20 degrees centigrade. That's the answer. What type of climate will be found in Rio de Janeiro? So we will have to take a look at this at this graph. So what type of climate do you think is found here in this city, Rio de Janeiro? It rains there in all the months. Look at the temperature. There is not much difference in the highest temperature and the lowest of the temperatures. Therefore, it will experience mild, hot and humid climate. Fine. It will experience mild, hot and humid climate. That's the answer. So this was the activity. From this activity, we could understand the annual average temperature and rainfall in Brazil. I hope you have understood this. If not, please do write to me on Google Classroom or on WhatsApp. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.